So 2025 June, now available is Insect Phylogeny Database version 2. So go to insectphilo.org. And there's two files for download. We have the database, which is all in a single text file, and we have a Excel spreadsheet. So download both of these. The database itself, I'll look at in a minute. Let's just look at this. So the current version 2 of the database is 1,400 publications, each a single standardized and processed phylogeny. The one from last year was 1,000 studies, so up 400 studies. And so some differences. There's been some corrections of some previous trees. There's been an additional 400 trees added. A lot of those were from systematic entomology between years. Systematic entomology comprehensive review between 2000 and 2012. The years since 2012, partial coverage. In any case, some differences to this table. I've moved the references to the main sheet. You can see them here. We have the tree IDs. Following the open tree convention, we have mainly the figure and the method used. The data types are now complete. So we have the molecular, morphological, combine or synthesis here. And I'll split the classes for additionally for molecular and morphological. So particularly for the molecular, we have transcriptome, UCE, AHE, single gene, multigene, mitogenome, and the morphological, usually just morphological or not, or sometimes it gives the character set adult, larva, and so on. The counts for characters, so these are bases or amino acids or morphological character. Well, the individual counts are not complete, but this is now complete. The number counts of loci used for molecular studies is now complete. So essentially, a lot of interesting analysis you can do from the tree. The topology is standardized, and the class and the loci used. A bunch of other things. We have so this is somewhat newer. I'll have the license. Again, not complete, but this is gradually being filled. The license is not even clear for a lot of studies, but where the data is being provided, then it's often clearer. So that's usually CC. We have a bunch of notes. So each of these has been created individually. So a bunch of notes on various characteristics of the processing of each or the characteristics, anything unusual about each. Full reference, and another new column is usually the article DOI. A DOI is a unique link to a publication. Again, the reference is complete. The DOI is gradually doing, maybe about half done. And another new column is I'm synchronizing with Open Tree of Life, so practically that just means I'm uploading most of these. Most of these are not available on OpenTree yet. So anything like this and this I've now uploaded to OpenTree, so you can go there and browse it. Items with the OpenTree ID in grey, they were already uploaded to OpenTree by someone else. So I've uploaded about 350. So it's going to take, I plan to complete that by the end of this year. That gives users another way to interact with this data. Anyway, on to the database itself. It's IPD_v2. You're going to want to use a Unix-like environment to do work on this. It's going to be difficult otherwise. So I would suggest Linux, if not, maybe Cygwin or VirtualBox. You can try on Windows. So I've simply put it all into, so Newick machine readable phylogeny is a string of text with a set of parentheses like this. So I'll put it all into a single text file, very simple format. We have a tree ID, a tab, and the Newick string after it, all in a single line. So there'll be about 1,400 lines on this tree ID corresponding to this ID here. So cat the text file, and you can see the items in there. I already have a tutorial for doing it, but just very briefly, just here's a bit of code. So any tree IDs you're interested in, put into a text file. We have, for instance, about 200 beetle phylogenies, so the tree IDs are in there. This bit of code will pull all of these, so it'll search for the tree ID in that. So I need to change this name version 2 and then put that into pipe that into a file with the tree ID name. So let's try this on the updated file. And then we have all the beetle phylogenies, machine readable trees in an individual file, as so. Another note, well, technically this is a cladistic database. There's still no priority is topology at the moment, increasing coverage of topology. So there are some, maybe 10% of the trees do have branch lengths available, but at the moment I'm not concerned with this. So that's, and that's it. So next version of the insect phylogeny database, and any analysis you can think of, just go ahead. No restrictions on use of this data.